guys, welcome to my bathroom, and these are the gloves I'll be using today, size number 6, and this is again must be bigger for me. Let's see if it fits me. Well and good, otherwise I'll have to stain my hands as usual. Alright, before I wear my gloves, let me tell you the products I'm going to use today. Crazy color line twist. So for this you need to pre-lighten your hair a lot, so it's more of a neon green. The next is Peacock Blue. There's very little left in it, but this is like very pigmented. This is the one which I ordered a few days back, Sky Blue. It is not that pigmented, and so I had to mix some purple with it, and here it is. So it looks like very purple, but if you swatch it on your hand, it's more like a royal blue. Okay, the next color which you have seen me using it in the video, pink to plum hair. So this is Purple Passion. Then I have Magenta Mania. It's not pigmented. The kind of pigmentation you see here on the tube, it's nothing like that. It's a very pale pink. So this will only work on people who have like really white hair, and by white hair I don't mean your natural grey hair. See, can't even see it, like I can almost use it like a blush. My first video, if you see, I used this Magenta Mania, and with this I mixed Cyclamen pigmented pink, which is from Crazy Color. So I'll get that in some time. Enough of talking, let me show you the colors I've made. So this is Sky Blue, which is not very pigmented, so I mixed little Purple Passion in it. This is, again, they might look all same to you guys, but then if I swatch them for you, they are all different. So this is like Peacock Blue, and it's like really green. Can you see? It's like dark green. Sky Blue mixed with little purple. So this is how it looks. Then this is again a lot of purple mixed with Magenta Mania. So this is more of a plum. So here it might look very pigmented, but on hair it will come as plum. Then this one is I forgot, but I think this is just purple. I think this is just purple mixed with maybe a little blue. I did this like 3 hours ago, so they are almost drying up now, so I need to use them. So I'll be taking very thin strands and coloring them. So the technique to oil sleek coloring is basically it's more of peacock shades. I'll attach some pictures so that you guys can have idea how oil sleek looks. And what I will do is, just to add a little dimension and contrast, I'll be adding pink and the lemon neon color in some places. And I have already pre-lighten my hair, so here we go. So here, as you can see, this time I'm not doing 3 sections, so there will be like 5 sections this time, because I need to do thin strands, so taking a lot of hair in one go is difficult to handle. So yeah, this is the 4th one. Okay, and the 5th one I'll start with. Yeah. So this is the hair I'm going to start with. It is so hot. My makeup anyway almost gone. I've wiped my face so many times, and please don't mind, I'm wiping my face with this dirty towel. It's okay, I anyways have to wash my face. It fits me, the gloves fit me. Oh, for the first time I have gloves of my size.
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Alright guys, I'm finally I'm done. You see, how thin strands I took, and every strand has different color, and this took me I think almost 2.5 hours. And hopefully you can see different colors. Like, can you see green, there is pink, and there's blue. Although you need to keep this color for half an hour or like 20 minutes, because they immediately take in the color as your hair is already porous because of bleaching. So I'll have my tea and then I'll wash it and blow dry it, and then I'll come back on camera. Alright guys, so this is how the hair color looks, and yeah, it has totally turned out the way I wanted it to, and I'm quite satisfied. And yeah, in case my eyes are looking weird, I have ordered some colored lenses from Amazon. I don't know if you can notice, but then I'm wearing different lenses on both the eyes, and I'll do a different video for this one. As I said that I'm doing oil sleek today, so this is how it has turned out. But I'll just give a close-up. I hope you guys can see the different colors. And then if I turn like this, you can see that there is green, there is purple, then there is plum, then there is this neon green, there is dark green, in case you guys can see like here. And I will also attach some pictures, because you know, it's easier to take pictures in different angles to capture all the color. And yeah. This is what we call oil sleek method. So it's like hidden hues of different colors, and yeah, so I'm totally digging this one. I totally enjoyed coloring this one, because I was little bored using only one kind of or two kind of colors on my hair, and I really wanted to go for multiple different hair colors. It is very difficult to color your hair with so many colors, because it needs patience, it needs time. You have to take each and every strand, like thin strands, and do it. This is still not a trend in India. So yeah, I hope this video is helpful to some people, and in case you guys are interested, you have any questions, put your questions below in the comment section and I will answer them. Thank you.